One of the number one problems we have in outdoor situations is blade performance from our hunting knives. This Mossy Oak 10-inch fixed blade is the answer to that problem. One of the most praised features about this knife is the sharpness right out of the box. Now, on a personal level, I find that to be rare with most knives. However, this Mossy Oak changed my mind. Now, I did read in the reviews, one of the complaints was sheath retention. This sheath did not hold the knife super tight. That's not an issue with me. If I want something super tight, I'll make a Kydex sheath. Okay, so is this Mossy Oak 10-inch fixed blade worth it? Full tang, premium steel, factory sharp, budget priced? Yes. I'm going to say it is worth it, and I consider this knife a buy.